Welcome to Business News. I am Yusuf Akogu. Chairman, Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms, Oyedele, say about $18 billion, representing 19% of the estimated 20 billion Nigeria diaspora remittances in 2023, did not end up in the country. Speaking in a panel discussion at the 2024 Economic Outlook and Budget Analysis organized by the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Oyedele estimated that more than 90% of the remittances were externalized. Also speaking at the event, Director General Budget Office Ben Akabueze said one of the challenges facing the nation is that of low public revenue against a growing population, adding that Nigeria has had over 3 decades of budget deficit. World Bank had estimated that Nigeria diaspora remittances in 2023 was $20 billion. Nigeria's oil output rose month-on-month by 7.7% to 1.4 million barrels per day in December 2023, from 1.3 million barrels per day recorded in the preceding month of November 2023. On a year-on-year basis, the December output represents 16.7%, an increase from 1.2 million barrels per day in the corresponding period of 2022. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, disclosed this in its monthly oil market report. According to the January 2024 report, Nigeria remains the highest African oil producing and exporting nation, while Equatorial Guinea comes last with only 55,000 barrels per day. Nigeria also has the capacity to produce between 300,000 and 400,000 barrels per day of condensate, light crude that attract higher prices like Bonny Light in the international market. A Port Harcourt-based energy analyst, Dr. Bala Zaka, said the improved oil output raises hope on the execution of Nigeria's 2024 budget that was based on 77.96 barrels per day. The National Bureau of Statistics, NBS, has revealed that the pump price of fuel increased by 225.85% to 67 naira 86 kobo per litre in December 2023, up from 206 naira 19 kobo in December 2022. The Statistics Bureau disclosed this in its Premium Motor Spirit price watch for December 2023. Stating that the 671 naira 86 kobo price was a 3.53% increase from 648 naira 93 kobo sold in November. According to the Statistics Bureau, petrol sold at highest price in Ogun State at 776 naira 55 kobo, with Taraba, Adamawa, and of course follow closely with pump price of 760 naira and 745 naira 71 kobo respectively. Bola Tinubu had removed fuel subsidy upon assuming office as the country's president. Now to the forex market. Naira falls to 1,350 per dollar in the parallel market from 1,315 per dollar on Wednesday. The local currency also depreciated to 931 per dollar in the Nigerian Foreign Exchange Market (NAFEM). Let's see to these numbers. This market continued to beat the winning drum after overtaking Argentina to become the world best performing stock in 2024. The equity market appears to be, tiptoeing around, breaking all the records there to be broken in the market. Of course, the bullish market continues today again, and we're seeing that the investors are interested in buying the likes of Transcorp, Universal Insurance, Veritas Capital. They're all doing so greatly as our market movers for today. 158 if you look at the volume of trade between those companies, that has moved the market to 2.01% gain, a very huge gain. You see, and of course, the market capitalization for the first time hitting 50.278 trillion naira on a single day trading. Impressive performance, you say. Of course, let's look at the top gaining equities that we have for today. Corn oil, a bellwether stock there, gaining 10%, the highest gaining for today. Of course, Entana, after being admitted as one of the company, of course, the major marketer that will be selling Dangote Petroleum, that has pushed the stock up there by also 10%. Of course, John Holt, one of the oldest company quoted on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, also not doing badly there. 10% it recorded in terms of gains. Of course, they are usually losers when they are, of course, gainers. We have Tantalizer down 10%. Ikeja Hotel on the negative side, 9.79%. Of course, Lasako from the insurance subsector of the market also down 9.71%. These are the highlights of the stock trading as it went down today, this Thursday, on the floor of the Nigerian stock market. Let's look at the market from the rest of the world. And finally, in business, crude oil price rose on Thursday as the International Energy Agency joined producer group OPEC in forecasting relatively strong growth in global oil demand this year, with price impetus also coming from disruption to U.S. output and geopolitical risk in the Middle East. And in London market, Brent crude sells for $78 per barrel. For the OPEC basket, price dropped to $78 per barrel. And that's business. I am Yusuf Akogu.